IDFC First Bank, a stock that we believe is an undervalued giant. But why do we think so? What will be the price in a year? And how much of this stock should you have in your portfolio? Let's break down each of these and get to the bottom of this. Welcome back to the Masala Market. I know it's been a while since my last video, but let me know what you think about my new editing style and please drop your suggestions in the comment section below. The banking sector is a dubious one. It splits portfolio managers into two halves. Some say it's undervalued and has not increased at the same pace as other sectors like defense and energy while being equally as important to the nation. While others say it's overvalued at almost 35% of our economy. So what is the truth? We at Masala Market believe that to understand this, you have to break this topic down into public and private sector banks. Here is the chart of the public sector banks compared to the chart of the private sector banks. Both charts look like they're in a great uptrend, but there's a different story to tell here. Let's see the PSU Bank Index first. Measuring from the start of 2023, if we see till now, it has given a 76.66% rally and almost 80% rally to anyone who invested in pretty much any of the public sector banks. But if we see the private sector banks and we measure from the start of 2023, we see the rally is only 22 to 25%. That is a 4x less growth than the public sector banks, while the businesses are fairly comparable, and rather private banks do much better in terms of controlling their NPA and getting net profit. Another key pattern we notice is a very strong resistance line forming in this private sector bank chart, somewhere here, and currently the private sector index is at that low. We can expect a solid bounce from here, at least till all-time high levels, which could give us an easy swing trade of 11%. But we aren't going for 11%. We want to pick up a multi-bagger. So let's now shift focus to our pick, which is IDFC First Bank. Why have we picked this stock? What are the financials that tell us to buy this stock? Here is the screener page of IDFC First Bank. As we go down, we first see a 5-year chart. This is a good chart to see what the trend is like in the long term. We see that the stock had a post-COVID rally and peaked out at 95 levels, currently sitting at 65 levels. Okay, so we are approximately 30% away from all-time highs, and to get back to all-time highs, we need to get a 40 to 50% gain. So what changed in the business that we had such a big fall? Let's go through their profit and loss. We see that after 2017, every year it's given better and better revenue results up till the current year with 30,000 crores, and the trailing 12 months is also increased at 33,000 crores. Let's also see the net profit. In the last 2 years, it has given above 2,000 crores and the trailing 12 months is already at 2,300 crores. Then what is going wrong? Maybe investors are selling. Let's take a look at the investor side. Here is the shareholder pattern of IDFC First Bank. We can see FIIs have heavily increased their stake in the company from 19.57% to 27.30%. Same with DIIs. They have increased their holding from 11.3% to 16.19%. All this in one quarter from September to October. And the December results are not even out. All this to say that the balance sheet, the profit and loss, the quarterly results and the investor profile look good for such a large company to make its move. Let me conclude the video by saying that we believe that IDFC First Bank is a diamond in the rough, an undervalued private bank whose price is being decided by the clutter and the narration that's happening in the market and increasing NPAs, but not by fundamentals of the stock. We see this stock going up 40 to 50% in the next 1 to 3 years, which if you already don't know is staggering growth. And an allocation in this in your portfolio would be great to get outsized returns above Nifty. If you are more risk averse, an allocation into a private bank ETF or a mutual fund may help your portfolio outpace Nifty as well and make good returns in the long run. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.